Alrighty guys, real quick shorts video. This is the one I was at pull apart crying about. Okay, yeah, they didn't have the connectors I was looking for. Well, not so bad news. I'm not crying right now, guys, because I found out it's really all about the shell. Okay, yes, the shells are all the same. Okay, it's just the blue contact of the connectors is what they want to match. Okay, because this is sliding now easy. As far as the black piece, this is pretty much all the same. Like, this is a new one that come out of this kit. It's all the same thing. In fact, it would just go on there if I push it on there, and it will close via the latch. So there's still hope. I can actually fix this thing the proper way. In fact, they should start selling this kit for any of them, because it's the exact same thing. If you got this already, if this not damaged, so this will fall in there. Now it's just a matter of building this to go over the connector. In fact, this black one right here and this black one right here, all the black ones, it's the same. Okay, this is the one I cut off that harness. So I'm going to essentially depin these and put them in my new connector right here. Look at my kit. I forgot I had this. I bought this a long time ago. All right, so I'm going to find the proper one that I need. Simply slide in here, depin every. It's gonna be time consuming, but it's doable. Yeah, I gotta please this customer and get this connector fixed and get this new PCM programming installed. All right, I got work to do, so that's what I'm gonna do. Now, like I said, it's gonna be time consuming. I can't do this all on a short video. Look at that. It's not as many as I got a lot of open slots, so I don't have a lot to do. So I'm gonna make me some room back here. I'm gonna clean this up real good and start depending. Yeah, I should be fine, guys. Now they broke this one too, but this one can stay on if I just, yeah, I can fix that. But I'm more interested in this one. So let me get my electrical attire on. Give me some gloves. Get me some. We about to doctor on this thing and make it just right, guys. Yeah, I'm not crying anymore like I was earlier. I was almost about to. Whew. All right, stay tuned for the long video. Alrighty, let's get to it, baby. So I'm gonna use this one since this one is fairly new. Yeah, we're gonna use this one right here. Now let's start depinning. All right, this is the closest tool I can find that was split in, kill two birds with one stone, split in two slots. Okay, so simply push that down in there to open up. You're trying to open up a lever, and you're hoping that, yeah, see, this one coming out. Now you got to make sure you go back in the exact same slot that you come out of. All right, so I got this one out. Now you may, guys, if you ain't sure, make sure you pull out the wiring diagram. But this is D. Okay, this goes toward this side, so I'm just gonna pull this out and put. Hey, look at that. Make sure, guys, because you do not want to jack this up. That's it. All right, that's going in the upper one. So as you can see, I got a what 10, 20, 30, maybe 30 of these to do, guys. So this is gonna be time consuming. So I'm gonna do one at a time. Try to knock this out as quick. And now you got to take them out and put them back in as soon as you take it out, because you do not want to. Look at that. It's locked in place. Now the blue, where's my blue? This right here is what's going to hold everything in place, and then go on here. And I will have this repaired, guys. So I'm basically repairing this. Hey, good call, JT. All right, so I got maybe, what's that? What y'all guess? 50 more to do. All right, so y'all stay tuned. When I come back, I'm gonna let y'all know my progress. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, look at this. Oh my goodness, what a task. I got one more pin, guys. So let me get this pried open. Trying to pull it out at the same time. That's it right there. Just slide it out. Guys, you talking about tricky, trying to remember where these go. I did not want to pull out the wiring diagram, but here's the thing. Once I find out, why am I being so extra careful trying to properly remove these when I can just cut this and gain access to those release tabs right now, instead of trying to fight with them. So once I rip this apart, oh my goodness, you talking about easy to remove those release tabs. I don't have to be careful with this. I'm not reusing this. And last but not least, I saved the best for last. It happens to be a purple one. Yeah, damn cousin Pookie, jack this up. Alright, so let me put this in here. Then I'm gonna finish rebuilding this connector. Come on, baby. Gotta hear the click, guys. Make sure you hear the... Where's my click? Uh-oh, did I go in wrong? Yeah, see, it only go in a tricky way. That's it right there. There it is. You heard that? I heard it. A click. Yes. So take a look. Ooh, see, I boogered one up. Guys, that's why you gotta really... Oh my goodness. I gotta fix that. This right here. Who knows what they go to? Yeah, you don't want to play like that. So, oh, it was just... Okay, so once I put the... Everything gonna lock into place once I put the... This right here on here. It should lock everything, but make sure none of them, all of them are pushed up in a locking tab, because that is the... Yeah, you do not want those to be pushing out, causing all kinds of crazy problems. Now, look at that. Fall right in there. Push down. Look at that. Look at freaking that. Oh my goodness. Close it down all the way. Now I'm going to finish building it. Put everything back on here. And guys, we should be good to go. I'm going to get some new sliders. Yeah. The sliders that go in here. The thing that Cousin Pookie broke. Look at that. Oh my goodness. JT, shut your mouth. Boy, you are bad. Alright guys, let me tape this all up. Make it look professional. And start this thing up and see what happens, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm so glad. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'll be right back. Alrighty guys. What are y'all here running? Yes, baby. Thank you, Mr. Harness. Thank you. Look at that. You can't even tell, guys. It's like brand new. Oh my goodness. That boy. JT the car guy. Alright, let me shut up. Let me stop. Alright, because earlier today I was whining like a little biatch. Alright, all I did was DPN the harness out of the original harness and put it in another block. Okay, well, like I said earlier, the only thing that really mattered to match is the blue PCM connectors. Only thing that matters is this right here. The shell is the same, guys. So now I found out these harnesses is like $600, but you can get a used one, guys. This all if you're in a bind. I was in a bind, so I had to make something work because you don't have money for a new harness, and I don't want to replace a new harness. So here we are. It's running, guys. All right. So now the connector can stay on. Look at that. In the future, guys, remember what I told y'all? Just push the damn button and lift up on it, and voila. All right. So yeah, I got a whole bunch. I love my little kit. $19. Can't remember where I got it from. Some store, automotive store, at Amazon, I think. Yeah, surely you're gonna find the one you need to push these pins out. All right, so I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep a lot of stuff because I'm sure it's not the first time. Oh, I'm sure it's not the last time Cousin Pookie gonna jack something up. Your boy is happy on cloud 9, ladies and gentlemen. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Okay, that's all I have, man. I gotta charge this battery up overnight, and I'm done. All right, that's all I have, man. This baby is running, connected. You can't even tell. Look at that damn connector, and it's perfect. All right, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching.